Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to turn off Windows Defender Firewall Windows 11. Enter Firewall in the search box. Open Windows Defender Firewall. After that, click on the line, turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Finally, check the boxes. Turn off Windows Defender Firewall on available networks. Click on OK to save the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.